Okay, so we're going to add the button script to even the main game scene. We're going to have two buttons, and we will use the button scripts to jump out of this scene to quit or to the main menu. Okay, so recapturing what I just said a while ago, we have got this script here. It's a public class. It's called level changer. So this is what I've used. This is at the bottom under Unity 4 on my website, and on my website under script 1 Unity. It has two functions. One is called change level and the other one is called quit game, and it uses application.loadLevel and application.quit built-in functions of Unity. So what I've done is I've got this script here, and I've gone to scripts and I've made a script called level changer, and I've pasted that script here. It's a function that takes a parameter level name, and whatever level name you give or the scene name, it will jump to it. Let's see how we use this. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make an empty game object. I will call it a button script holder, and I'm going to add level changer to this button script holder. Now I need two buttons, game object UI button. Now with button comes this text. Because I'm using an image, I don't need this text, so I've just deleted the text. Now this button, I'm going to call it home. In source image, I will go and pick up the home source image, home, and I will tell it to preserve the aspect. Now buttons must be aligned using this feature so that they can be in the same position regardless of the screen size. When you click on this icon here and you press the Alt key, you can position it. See this? You can position it wherever you want. I'm going to position it in the top bottom left, but I don't want it sticking too much to the edge, and so I'm just going to push it somewhere here. Or maybe I'll put it in the sky. Let's no, I need a health bar there. I need a health bar coming on top, and I need a score coming on top. And I'll make it a smaller button, 0.5 and 0.5 in X and Y, an equal amount of scale. No, 0.7 and 7. Yeah, 7 and 7 is fine. Yeah, just keep it there. So I've added a button. I have got a script holder with my button script. Now on my button, the way to make this script work is I click on the plus sign, and you see this empty object here. I drag my script holder here, and right now there is no function picked up from this button, but I can say go to level changer, which is the class inside my script. It has got two methods, change level and quit game. I can say go to change level, and home should take me to menu. So I'm going to make a copy of this, Control D. I'm going to call that quit. Now this button here has to be aligned to the right. And I'll take the same X position. What is that? That's X. Oh, sorry, the same Y position, 15. So I'm just going to give this guy 26.6. I'm going to come here. 26.6. The source image will be quit, and then instead of change level, I'm going to use the function quit game. Now bear in mind, quit game will work only if and only you make a build, and for the home thing, this level changer will work if and only if you have file, build settings, If you have all the scenes in the build, only then will you be able to test that. So now if I click on home, bang, takes me to home. I go to start, I can go home, I can go to credits, I can go home. Quit will work only if you make a build. So yeah, that's a short video on how to get the buttons working.